Firstly, if you've created multiple Apple IDs on your device, there might be a limit you've reached. This can prevent you from creating a new account. To fix this, you'll need to open a web browser on your device and navigate to apple.com. Once on the Apple website, tap on Sign In and then select the option to create a new Apple ID directly from the browser. This bypasses any potential limits set on the device itself. If creating the Apple ID via browser doesn't work, ensure your device's software is up to date. Open the Settings app, go to General, and then tap on Software Update. Update your device to the latest iOS version available. Sometimes incorrect date and time settings can cause issues with account creation. In Settings, go to General, then Date and Time. Ensure that your device's date and time are set correctly. As a last resort, if none of the above steps work, you may need to reset all settings on your device. Go to Settings, then General reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper preferences.